Hey guys, this is Emmanuel with Funtown RV. I'm a part of the RV ASAP internet sales team with Funtown. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Alpha Wolf 26DBH-L. This is going to be a part of our liquidation sale here in 2022. So if you're interested in this camper, make sure to look at the link in the description to get some more information on purchasing this camper. All right guys, I'm super excited about this floor plan we have here. A few of the features that we have outside on the front is gonna be our electric power jack here. We're gonna have 2 propane tanks that come standard here at Funtown RV, as well as a large battery as well. Up front, we're gonna have our docking lights in that super cool blue that Cherokee loves to include in their campers. Really nice touch. I personally like it a lot. You'll see here our first AC up top of this camper. This is going to be a 50 amp service RV, meaning it has 2 ACs. All right guys, and up front we're going to have a large pass-through storage here. Very impressive. You can fit a few grown men in this pass-through storage, not saying that you should, but below that we're also going to have some electric stabilizer jacks. On this camper, the electric stabilizer jacks come at the front and at the rear of this camper. Super awesome for convenience. Moving alongside of our Alpha Wolf here, we're gonna have a large, beautiful tinted window. We're gonna have a 20-foot electric awning on this camper, which is awesome to have. Our outdoor kitchen setup is also a step above a lot of other manufacturers. We're coming standard with an ice maker, with a mini fridge, a dual stovetop burner that does connect directly to propane, dual axles on this Alpha Wolf. We're also gonna have some outdoor speakers. You know we love to party here at Funtown, and that allows us to have a great time underneath this 20-foot awning. For all my serious campers out there, you know how annoying it is when you have people coming in and out of your camper to use the restroom. Cherokee solves that problem for you with the second door to our full bath here in this Cherokee Alpha Wolf. Also with our step above solid steps. Guys, the value on this camper does not stop here with this Alpha Wolf. We're gonna have standard, a backup camera. We're also going to have a built-in cargo rack as well. This is going to come with your camper when you purchase here at Funtown RV. Also attached to that is our spare tire with our Alpha Wolf logo on the back, just so you let everybody on the road know how cool you really are. Like I said before, we are gonna have 50 amp service on this camper. We have 2 ACs. Right next to our 50 amp plug, we're gonna have all of our water connections and cable hookup. We're gonna have our outdoor shower. You'll see our low point drains down below. We're also gonna have some additional storage that Cherokee has included on the outside of this camper here, just to maximize the space that we have on this. On the driver's side here, we're gonna have a huge super slide. On the inside, you'll see how awesome this feature is to have, but you can even tell on the outside how massive this slide is. It's really gonna open up that space on the interior. All right guys, before we check out the awesome interior of this camper, I wanna shout out mycamptown.com. This is gonna be where you find all the accessories for your RV, including hitches, including camping equipment. We have tents, we have seating. We also have winterization packages there that are available for you. So go check out mycamptown.com. Now let's go take a look inside. Here we are in the inside of the camper. There's a few features that I want to point out to you. One thing that you're not going to see here as we have the slides open is our restroom, and our kitchen area is going to be accessible, fully accessible whenever the slide is closed. So that's a great feature to have when we're on the road. Also, this huge super slide, I want you to see how beautiful this is in here. It opens up our space quite a bit. We have a jackknife sofa, a darker color jackknife sofa that we can put a kiddo on. We can even put our furry friend on this to sleep. All right guys, and this dinette is huge. Check it out. 7 feet long. It's plenty deep as well. So this is gonna be an awesome sleeping space. You could probably squeeze 2 smaller people into this dinette for sleeping, but 1 large human is gonna fit on here just fine. Right above that, we're gonna have our chandelier lighting, just to add a little bit of that ambiance whenever we're having dinner, lunch, breakfast, whatever it might be. All right guys, here in the kitchen area, we're gonna have this kind of extended peninsula type setup on the kitchen counter space, which opens it up quite a bit for your pots, your pans, and things like that. We're also going to have this large basin farm style sink with a removable head here for washing dishes. We're also going to have our 3 stovetop burner. This is a gray stone oven as well. Above that, our gray stone air vent and our high point microwave. In our pantry, you'll see the massive amounts of pantry space we have here. This is an awesome feature to have. Cherokee really, once again, maximizing all the space in this unit. All right, guys, here in our restroom in this Alpha Wolf, it's going to be a pretty standard setup here in the bathroom. Like I mentioned before, we do have access directly by a second door. We're also going to have our air vent right above the toilet here, our nice good sized shower with already installed shower curtain. We're going to have our traditional sink here with special night lighting, and also our mirror that does also have medicine cabinet space behind it. All right, guys, at the rear of this Alpha Wolf here is the reason most people buy this camper are these double over double bunks that we have. It's going to come standard with a ladder, so that way you can access the top bunk. The little ones don't have to be thrown up there anymore. They actually have their own ladder to get to the top bunk. We're also going to have a bit of storage space underneath these bunks here, not a whole lot, but just enough for us to put, whether it's a dog cage where we have our pets down there, or we just have some extra storage bins that we want to stick underneath the bunk beds. All right, guys, in the private bedroom here, we are going to have a queen size bed. This is an RV queen. On either side of this bed, we'll have large closet space that does have a rack already installed, so that way you can hang up your clothes. Above that, we have additional storage. We have our own lighting as well here in this bedroom area. This is perfect for reading, or if we just want to have some lighting in here while we're hanging out, works great for that as well. All right, guys, and underneath this bed, we have even more storage space. So storage definitely is good and plenty in this Alpha Wolf. So I just wanted to point that out for you. We have additional outlets on the side, each side of this bed here, USB and traditional plug-in outlets. All right, guys, thank you for joining me on the walkthrough of this Cherokee Alpha Wolf 26DBH-L. This is an awesome camper we currently have in our liquidation sale lineup. So if you're interested in this camper, click the link in the description here to get more information on this unit and what it takes to purchase this camper at Funtown RV. I also do want to mention that we have an RV buy, sell, and trade tips. This is going to be group on Facebook, so go join that if you're in the market for an RV and looking to save thousands of dollars. That's a great resource for you. So once again, thank you guys for joining me on the walkthrough of this camper, and remember, the fun starts here.